Hello everyone, this is Sergeant Code and I welcome you all to my channel Creative Tutorials with a very big heart. Okay dear children, before starting with our today's question, let's begin with one funny joke. English teacher enters the class and asks one question that, tell me a sentence that starts with the letter I. One of the student attempts to answer the question and begins somewhat in this way. I is the teacher says stop. And help the student by saying that never put is after an I. Always put am after an I. Student says, okay ma'am, I'll try. And begins with one new sentence saying that I am the ninth letter of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Ninth letter of an alphabet, okay, so which is numerically okay, but in terms of sentence this wasn't the question the teacher was asking. All right, so I hope that you have got the joke, and let me know in the comment section if you haven't understood. Okay, with that, let's start with our today's question. So we are on question number 5, where minus 11 upon 13 is a rational number being given to us, and we are asked to write this rational number in the decimal form. Okay, now this question is again with negative sign, same like our sub question number 4 where we had that minus 1 upon 3 upon 5, something like that. Okay, so what we'll do is first we will keep minus sign aside. Okay, we will think that minus sign is not there in the question, and we will try to take care of 11 upon 13, and that minus sign will be taken care of at the end. Okay, come on, let's begin. 13 will come here, denominator comes here, numerator comes inside right now, and we have already studied now that this number should be either equal to this or greater than this. Okay, so you see it's not possible, so I have only one choice, so I have only one way of making this number bigger than this one, that is by putting one 0 over here, correct now? So the moment I add one 0 over here, okay, this need to be compensated, and for that I need to take 1 0 and 1 decimal point. Okay, all right. So now let us see which number goes closer to 110. We know that 13 eighths are 104, right? Correct. Now 0 minus 4 is not possible, so I will borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 0 and 1 comes here. So 10 minus 4 becomes 6. Okay, now again this 6 has become smaller than this one, so to make it bigger I will add 1 0 here. Now this became bigger than 13. Now what I will do is I will see which number goes closer to 30 in table of 13. Alright, so we know that 13 fours are 52. Alright, so 0 minus 2 is not possible, so I will borrow 1 from here. So this becomes 5, 1 comes here. So 10 minus 2 becomes 8. Again 8 is smaller than 13, so what I will do, so I will add 1 0 over here. Now I will say which number goes closer to 80 in table of 13. 13 sixes are 78. Okay, so 0 minus 8 is not possible. Let's borrow 1 from the adjacent number. 1 comes here. 10 minus 8 becomes 2. Now again 2 is smaller than 13. So add 1 0 over here, so you get 20. Now 13 ones are 13. Not possible to subtract this one, so borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 3 becomes 7. Now 7 is again smaller than 13, so put 1 0 over here. So this became bigger than 13. Now we will see that which number goes near to 70. Now we know that 13 fives are 65, correct? Now 0 minus 5 not possible, borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again 5 is smaller than 13, so put 1 0 or add 1 0 here. Now we will see that which number goes closer to 13 in table of 13. We know that 13 threes are 39, correct? So borrow 1 from here, this becomes 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have come to 11. And you see that again 11 is smaller than 13. So I need to put 1 0 or to add 1 0 over here. and at the same time I will put one arrow mark over here indicating that this is the point when I started. Correct now? So that means now after this step everything will get repeated one after the other. Okay, so there is no point in carrying out the division any further, but then too we will just go one step ahead. 11 was here, so we had taken that 11, 13 eights are was 104, so I will let 13 eights are 104 and 110 minus 104 will give me 6, and this will keep on going. Okay, so I have got my answer like this. So I will write my final step as therefore 11 upon 13 is equal to 0.846153 dot dot dot. This will keep on going right now. So that is equal to 0.846153, and this digit is the one from where I will get the recurring digits. So I will put one entire bar on this. Correct now? So therefore minus 11 upon 13 becomes minus 0.846153 bar, and this is my final answer. Okay dear children, you see how easy it was, how simple it was. I hope that you have definitely enjoyed the video along with me, though it looks very lengthy, but it is very simple right now. Only thing is, if you don't remember the tables, correct now, then it will be little bit more time consuming, because then you will be left with only one option of multiplying each number, correct now, and getting the answer. And for that, it is not that you will get the exact number. Like for example, I want to do this one, first one. Since I know the tables now, so I wrote 13 eights are 104, correct now. But if you don't remember the tables, if you have not studied, or if you have forgotten the tables, then you are left with only one option of multiplying and getting the answers. So you will not hit 8 exactly. You may come somewhere around 7 or 6 or 9, something like that. You need to see, you need to manipulate, you need to see which is the nearest number which you can attack. Okay, so that is a bit time consuming. So the division, which takes not more than 2 minutes, might take 4-5 minutes because of not knowing the tables, or because you have forgotten the tables. Okay, so my dear children, I have always guided you, I have always suggested you that please keep working on your tables, because tables are heart of mathematics. Okay, it saves lot of time, trust me. Okay, so if you have not started working on that pocket, okay, which is weak, okay, it's better you start right from today onwards. Slowly, if you keep on moving, you will easily cover a lot of tables. Take one table in a day, just one table right now. If you take one table in a day, in a month, you will finish 30 tables, right? In 2 months, you will finish 60 tables. That's okay. At least study 40-50 tables. That will be fine. Okay, so I would suggest you, it's better you go with that. So as far as this solution is concerned, I hope that it was very well understood by each and everyone, and you must have definitely enjoyed also. Okay, so with this we are done with our exercise or practice set 1.3. Okay, very soon I'll be back with my next video taking some explanation about irrational numbers. This was the part up to which we had done with our rational numbers. Okay, and we know that our chapter is about rational and irrational numbers. So the second half of the chapter is about this one, which will be taken care of in our practice set 1.4. So very soon I'll be back with that video. So dear children, stay tuned. Okay, and I love you all. Keep smiling, keep studying, keep growing, stay blessed, stay happy. Okay, and enjoy your life along with studies, along with your parents, along with your friends. Okay dear children, so see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.